how to change your age in Epic Games or whether it's possible to change or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Epic Games. Now once you are done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Epic Game Homes. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on your account. If you are not signed in, simply log in into your account. Now once you log in, now scroll down and tap on account. Again scroll down. As you can see, there is no option to change your date of birth. So it's not possible to change age in Epic Games after you set up it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.